Well, good morning, country people. Them with the salute when I don't sit down for front the television for see what way LTM it bring them today second day for inside the week. We go talk palava accident way happen for inside Santa Barbara. A woman he fought a court. They take Okada man say this so me carry the victim go to hospital. He sleepless, he don't die. Time where he yesterday so they don't finish carry the woman go to hospital now for day now. Where he wake up the one catch him for go to hospital. Now knife he come out fight every day we know na small one. Now inside the only where we day. We go talk about this one contract where they don't give him time for African Nation Cup for inside country and then contractor he never finish the work for come out for play they call him for 10 minutes. Go reach for place where they call him Olembe Stadium. Their work is still there where this countryman he don't leave him. He know the continue he work and where with the yesterday so Ngomna for Cameroon he don't finish give the money for your hand. We go talk palava landslides where we happen for inside Yaoundé Bankolo, where plenty people them they be die for inside this matter. Picking them for site for Banjon, they be there for inside this landslides where it be happen for site from Bankolo. Now where Banjon community it be come out their own brothers and sisters where they be die, they go with them for go bury them. Mayor for that side it be get talk for talk and parliamentarian too a talk and then the chief too it be talk. So they be talk to this so now only God you walk and now God you know why we this landslides it touch their own picking them. For side for Garwa, northern part for Cameroon, what it don't happen, police for that side, it don't do fine work, it catch them. 26 in number, where natty people them, those with the hand, a long plenty, where the detecting way, it not concern them. Now, way they become out, some cutter for that side, and then they work out, collect them. Now, big man for judicial police for side for no, where it make the operation so plenty, they don't catch them. And woman and two, they for inside the team for thief people them. We go talk palava what we go see now. What way they use them for take money for people them for side for now. They use na knife, use thing where they call a hammer, and they get plenty kako, even gun. They use them for take money for people them for that side, and then they don't tip too. A thing where they call them climatizer, they take two people them that been the kako for inside shop. So with the time police for that side for the good work. We go for side for Douala for talk palava dirty because Douala it is smell. Meanwhile, city mayor they pass the time for organized meeting. Say this so Douala get for clean. But time we come around for LTM. It on top for inside Douala town. We see say this so all junction and all quarter na dirty a flop. We go to palava accident where Okada man a miss die na for side for Bonaberi for Rai for Bonaberi na for corner Bonangeri the rise. So it be happen na yesterday sharp morning time with this countryman a carry passenger last then self the last they meet up themselves now for under this motor we wanna see him. No man he never go hospital. We go talk to Palava this one where woman, if you don't get problem with landlord a cut water, and then can't move you matter when I say go take him for company where give you light. This matter it be cause trouble for side for Sebek and to remand it be go for the female it show him. This one nothing will be happen now for 2023. So time where to remand it show him matter it be last. Enter for court because for inside to the house, plenty lawyer in there where they be follow the matter. Now, last, they don't last come back the matter for that very place. Yes. We go talk again, Palava Road, where they don't talk them and they make tradition. For before SDO for Meme, say road for Mabanda Kumba, go Sutagori for side for Tombel. Tradition be not skin for 2023, but population for side for Etam. My 8, Ebonji, my 20, and Tombel, they say this so. Carries today, Caterpillar, it never first pass on top that road. We know they talk about Okada. Community work, where it happen for site for B Village. B Village, where they under Nkambe Central. Now where they talk to this so Cameroon government, it do them fine work, forgive them. 3 classroom and the school, Now college where they don't get for that side because population for that side for B, they will over suffer for go school, picking them, they go school from Cambe, and they rent house, they go Baminda, they go do. So they decide they beg government hear that cry, they give them school. And when they beg say this, so me any person he try for support them so that me all thing it work fine. Yesterday found for site for B village it be talk, but today now councillor it get talk for that side. When we finish now, we go enter back again for chapter for motorway be lost, and then we enter for another thing again. Same story, a talk severity. Same story for sharp morning time. It tell we say, person where he get pushing belly, he not the ever choose toilet. Person where he get pushing belly, he not the ever choose toilet. Person where send for we now Ma Joyce is send for we for Tico. Tico na whole subdivision for site for Southwest and Southwest na for Cameroon. Pa FM is support them for site from Kong. It then na inside Mongo and Mongo it dey for inside Littoral na for Cameroon. Nang denge we want come back. Me she don't quiet for see wait way it go come out. We come back. Sense story a toxicity, sense story a toxic person. Where he get poaching belly, he know they ever choose toilet. Ma Joyce, na ISSF send for we for Tico, and Pa FM is support them for site from Com. May we enter now for chapter 1. Now, parava accident for quarter where they call say Santa Barbara, where in no far away from A to D. What happened? Now, Okada man, a jam some woman way with the crossroad, and then a boogie foot. Woman, it die. The boy is sleep for down. Let's say this so he says don't die. Time where they carry woman, put her inside motor, how you contribute them, where they talk, they start the talk, say this so they don't carry him. Go to the hospital. He wake up now for he on sleep, where he will make lie, say this so he don't die. Time where wake up now he start fight. Now in that way, that man will get a white in a way they hold him. He said this so he get for fight. Time when fight it last can strong. USSF a common knife because they work so they carry people then with knife. It not be easy. When I see fight, person where we sleep they say this so don't die. Now in this now we don't strong. The man where they hold him where he wake up and then me you know say this one the man where you know where the first cap the other person for that side now he be make the accident. So now in that way, camera the time way for bring them so that me wanna see them. Santa Barbara for play with this thing it happen now for Express Union and then brigade fight for Santa Barbara for come out go for brigade enough it cost you 5 minutes but this matter it last happen fight it happen for more than 1 hour 20 minutes no gendarme in no pass no police in no pass now where they talk to so for inside Santa Barbara man for himself God for we all because insecurity where they here and problem them they dey for inside Santa Barbara plenty but person for solve am you know the now where the population for inside Santa Barbara they big man where they control security for inside country may it try for send them na anti-gang because those who go here talk or work where they get for work am no na you where they work am and they sing at all time they say the authority them they know the year. So for inside Yaoundé, we go talk now Palava contract. African Nation Cup become for Cameroon. All man be glad because President Paul Biya it become plenty money for Gia made a fixed we stadium and they be fixed stadium them plenty. The one for Olembe now do this where they come out for 10 minutes quarter where they come and say 10 minutes they go for side for Olembe stadium. Now in this where contractor it don't see say this so they don't play African Nation Cup last play finals. He says he decide he leave it for fixed day bridge because if you don't take money and African Nation Cup, it don't finish. Camera for LTM, he one pass day now. He looks at this so they wrote contractor. He never make no nothing. Time where camera don't film him. Contractor one time, then tell you say this so he don't bad because camera for Tory man he don't pass. Now he will contractor one time. He start to work. Now 9 night, he go carry stone them for 9 night, can't throw him, and then cameraman still turn back again, and then go see what way he did do him. Why he be first she don't quiet? When na time where camera for LTM go pass before work is start back. And those where they will give you the contract, why they say self, they know they control the contract. And for Cameroon, it they say na tradition. When they give contract, no man you know they for follow. And when they get for case on commission for the follow any contractor where they don't give contract. But for Cameroon, when we give contract, we go to me for inside office. When the people pass it also, they don't finish work. For say me go control them, it the only sign, more money a pay. After it discover say this so, they never finish the work. That time if we don't catch it. When we give work for person, me we create commission. Me we not just create commission now only for Palava, Northwest and Southwest. Me we create commission for any contract for inside country because villagers them they overvex for this matter. We talk now Palava landslides will be happen for inside Bankolo and Nakwata for inside Yaoundé Central region. Now so it will happen. Landslides will kill people them plenty. All the people that we talk say na 4. So one they say na 10. So one they say na 15. So one they say na 30. Other one they say na 50. Last, we know last year they throw talk. Because people the way they get for blue the talk, they say the last she don't quite. Since any man a politician. Now so it will happen. Those where the people they say the one can help, those where they get caught, then last now they enter the church, now people the house, move money, carry the kako, go with them. May you say with the controller side, it become as we see with black and white. So the talk that side for can see them. And they don't talk to them. So many people they not be for this quarter where they come say Bankolo, no man know the year 12, the year not 13. As for Cameroon, any man it won't be landlord and landlady. Now why that way will go be for rich zone. That way they have to keep picking them for site for Banjul. Me will go for Banjul now, see how they will go move the cops for their brothers and sisters for mortuary. They go with them for site for Banjul. Me will go see them. This one na motor way carry the cops them. For picking them for Banjul because tradition for Banjul it talk say they never bury their picking for upside. When I see ya, now picking them for Banjul where they shoot off for that side from Bankolo and where they die for inside chapter for landslides. So party if they concerned because na militant them die. Mayor, you say if they talk to this one only God you work and now God you know why we picking them for Banjul they dey for inside this matter. I say it not be easy. That way they bring them. Can't see only cry where people are for site for Banjul. They cry. They say this picking them. They will ever bring development for site for Banjul. Now it shows say development equals first stop according to top. And this man will talk to them. So any side where picking for Banjul they should down. Me it remember a village. Me it remember village. Me they know when the only time where some trouble don't enter before man a talk country talk. So now wait till that way will happen. They go for church, they not prayer. Say there's so many kind thing not happen again. All the people now people that forgot that men of God where they pray for the corpse before them burial. Me we gonna have a side for Galwa for northern part for country for go sitting way. Police for that side it don't do it. Police judicial they know. Divisional, now what is? They don't write them for their own way. Regional, they don't write them for their own way. They know they write them, me man see. Big man for that side, he don't cash 26 to boy them. Boy them over hand, he overlong. When they go carrying a thing way, no concern them. He call population, some people when I can't see thing way, when our brothers and sisters, they do them for night, time when people they sleep. Population for that side for now then come out plenty. Say I must see him so that me mop a talk him year a day on for year. Like that. Police motor they go for in number where they go for operation. And they succeed for the operation. Inter. Yes. They say they torment people when they year. This motor then a motor where President Paul be buy him, give him say me when I begin to work at the protect people. Other people don't take him, but they go in a bush with them. Other one they don't take and they carry and show them, go with them for inside nightclub. But commissioner for site for another part of the country, he don't take it on the make now work. That means we thank you plenty. Yes, Mr. Abubakar. Yes, Abubakar be the work for Commissariat Central for site for Bonaberi, for Bonasama. Now anyway, they don't send it for site for northern part for Cameroon, it they only for you work. Now people that way they be there for team for for team in those days for that side where they work plenty, catch mbanga for side for Bonabiri. So they talk to the population for side for Gawa, they know they sleep for sick at this border. And now small picking never. When I go for operation, now me the control now. Quick. When I go quick, go catch me now picking them, bring them. I want to see them. Although for Cameroon, law don't talk say me the no show first for Chief Man. We ask questions, say why. They say man try, that means say hey, he don't come. Now tell this way to go for the operation. Because the boys they don't operate for night and they get their place, their school. Where when they do operate, they go see the mistake the way they do it. Now tell this way they don't go cash first set. When I begin to look at. Now tell this way they don't cash first set for the chief board. You go see say they so all now picking them, all now small picking them. Commissioner, you don't do fine work with your picking them. When I see them. Now small picking them. But confident no day. Now think when they talk say they so woman where you know the time you picking them, if the past time only for work, you picking them go last be for commissariat. Second set, you don't come. Now second set that. Now second set where police they bring them. Back up the way where they will go down, we'll see them no. Now see them. Woman there inside. Woman there inside, they say they so no group enough day where woman jump inside. Woman must do it. Woman must do it because woman it like sweet life, chop fish, and then this the smooth let's say na a mud fish. Like that. So police but I don't do fine work. This man too be there inside. They say this one a chef the gang. Okay. Chef the gang. Now you buy other knife them. This one that we don't show the face because they're still small. They're still small. We not feel make when I see the face. They say this boy will be proof past Arata, but not because Arata get tell. When I go for Garum, when I enter, correct. If your papa get money, he go come on day. But if your papa poor, that means na only for prison where he will go, they chop contract. Yes, you see them. You know they say na national team na player them where they don't call them for go play African Nation Cup for side for Cote d'Ivoire. Now them that. Now woman that. Okay, you don't do fine work. We see now where they use them for take money for people them for inside house and for road. Part 2. Then them that. Even fan they carry them. Television they carry them. When I see knife, when I see knife and collars, if they show this one, you go piece for your skin. And then go for your bank account and then come on money give them. When I see knife, this one about cut cow or na person. When I look and find. And some minister we don't talk to them so me they know they say collars. Inside Yaoundé, we dey see how they work of collars careless. The seller. No man not the catcher. Anywhere they ever ask them whether law for Cameroon they work now for how many days. When I see knife, so one day blood where it shows that so they just come over choke person. They just come over use them for choke person. When I was here. When LTM he want show them, he take all time show them the way you go see them and then see them fine. Yes. Chief even cable for company for light. When I see Kako where they move on. When I see Kako where they go come out, you dey inside house. You dey go to one from football after you don't hear play the hot. Tramol and Tramadol, na their own medicine. Tramol and Tramadol, you know the jam. And this Tramol and Tramadol, the intern of outside Nambangarat. In the intern for outside. And wait for that now we own security people in the day. How this car could pass? When we talk something, we forget for the check identity card. We check now where to way motor carrier for backboat and for carriage. When I say this, so place is not defined from ground beep. When I say all these things will be passed now for we borders. And we get people over borders where they be censored, they go to protect the population and their property. But instead they put winner for danger. This car could refuse for Cameroon? No. They say now for other country. Okada where they use them for operate. Now Okada where they don't kill the driver them, take Okada, they operate day for night. When I say they say when they control Okada, no? How man go come with Okada? When I control identity card, when I know the control book them for the Okada. Give me 5,000, you pass. Give me 1,000, see. climatize them for people them. Man, they sleep for house, they just can disconnect them for outside, carry them for 9 nights on top, Okada go. You start the year hit. See knife, they don't come over 2 person. Then when they put over 2 person, they put sellotape on top the knife. Now in that, and blood the social show. When I don't do firework. Me, you go to the water now, as they preach every day for church, for meeting. Say they so dirty, you get for finish for inside that side. Dirty day, cover dirty in a restaurant. Where they say beans and pop and rice. Even pap a day for corner. All side for inside the water, now dirty. Now you will be asked whether they so city mayor. He be talk say they so the water first for inside Cameroon, like the cleanest town for Cameroon. When we look at, we see say they so Douala, Limbe, that they smell even Yaoundé. Then when this country they talk say they so the thing don't pass it. Whether the company will get for sweep the town, it don't die, or it don't go retirement, or it is sick, it is for sick bed for hospital, you don't know. All style for Douala na dirty. All style for Douala na dirty na in that. When we talk, we sure. Also, company where you get for clean this dirty. When I don't move them, even when I don't move them, when I show you the one way it don't replace, you know, because more time we will start the bond dirty as the bond now for inside capital. Accident where Okada man a miss die for site for Bonaberi. When Okada man come over morning time in order for brush teeth, he until where he take an abibi brozon put over his kid, na passenger don't climb. He dey fly the door. Mototo he come over outside for Sans and Tedi. So tell me say he want pass am a jam am kaka. Na in that. When I say see the kind of motorway they run for inside the Douala town. Motorway don't scatter. This one, if he give you cut, that means say tetanus it could kill you. If this one give you cut, tetanus could kill you. When I see if you see backside for this motor, you could ask question. Now people them that police them for this Nevium, they don't come. They say this one a year, no, the foot number broke. Leave that one. We will go have a side for severe thing where we don't show them because when we show them, it will happen. What of the problem? You and landlord, because landlord don't can cut the light. This woman said there's no nobody stay for inside that, and we even trouble for side for Northwest can't hide for the Douala. Now the woman that. Now trouble the following on top trouble. He go bring him meter. Now the meter that. He go bring him meter from the company where they give light. Now the meter that they can't come up to you on. They meter them they too. They don't come move it on. When I see hey, they show say they don't come move it on. And who move them? No, the company where he give light. Now the landlord will get the compound where we can't move the meter. Because of the woman, he never pay house rent for 1 month. Woman to the complaint say no, but because of this, so the man the team water that tiver. The man instead collect money for all man where she done for inside the house 10,000 per room. Say this so he want go break another line for water. He want go now he go buy na BB Mulunga can't put them for compound. They make water the enter inside and the people that they complain say this so water is the overscratch. People that will complain plenty say that water they overscratch. This countryman in no year. It they bring na problem you na landlord them and tenant them. That way all man it talks to this so that means the time don't reach. He last now he can't move meter for this woman. Go with him. That way to the man he be show him he talk and say this so he go last bad for the countryman. The countryman he be talk say this so you be Thomas he get for see before he believe. Me we see now follow up how it don't last happen. Me we see now. Now in that. Maybe they don't be back for meter back for the now in that. We don't go call. Now landlord now it don't say they so don't back. That way they call you for Bonanjo. Step down for call you. Say they so to the man it don't blue talk and the pepper them there for here. Say you don't the step. Some woman when an IDP for side for Bonabiri. He say yes. Now because they never pay. He say they so wait it light he get time with the house. That is why state council ask he. And at the very thing where we follow him. Landlord where we carry a sheet can't run for tenor when a social IDP for inside your own the house. The matter don't reach level where sometimes landlord if it last enter for inside gata. When you play You know how we play because when Turiman it take another matter, that means na so it could reach. So we don't come back the light. The woman now when an IDP, it use the light now in the proper. We talk now about this one road where the outside make tradition for come out from Mabanda Kumba for go reach for Tombel. Now in this. Nothing went to remember show for 2023 and the tradition be one pass SDO for Meme Tondo Shabalin every day. And the Joe and the mayor all them day they say tradition. Oh yeah. Tradition they make and say they say whether na Joe or na Joseph me then get chance for road because Caterpillar a get for dig the road me then Tara before 2024. Cameraman it be taken. And then I show cameraman say this so all thing it must work. Say all thing it must work. No na tradition that. Yes, drink am after you give SDO because now you be number one for Meme. Yes. Put someone give am for you. Yes. Voila. Drink am. You never drink am, eh? That means that the Parama road will not be in a total thing. Why you not doing that mimbo? Now so be happen for 2023. Now SDO for Meme that they don't make tradition with wine mimbo. Then give am other people they drink. Yes, you don't take am, you never drink am. It go last pass am for some man. Yes. SDO that means say you know be sure for the company we get for dig the road. Huh? Anyway, that big man it explain for you how they get for pass with the road. Say the road it get for pass. Whether sun or rain, the road it get for pass. So now so they make them. But for now, people have outside for a bunji, a tam, and people have outside for my 20 and for Tombel. There is also cry say they never see Caterpillar. We never see Caterpillar. And tradition be one finish. All man be dance because Mimbo be there around. You know so when Mimbo there for Cameroon, any man they change his fashion. Ha! Now so they be dance, Kotsaka, as they also Caterpillar day. From the first day when they make tradition, Caterpillar be there. Caterpillar be there, and with the Mosia. Caterpillar be there. For I show the people them say they so all thing worker. Tondo Shabalin, it be talk. Me we yet where they talk.
I am here today to hand over my workers. Delegate to public works. So whether to you for them to rehabilitate this stretch of road, Kumba, Tombel. You see the way they are safe. They come without any problem. I would like that at the end of the work, you give me back my workers. Without any problem.
So when I don't hear no, SDO for Kumba, for maybe talk say, it don't hand this company way again for make the road. For the chief them, for chief for Mabana, chief for Iteke, chief for Itam, chief for Ebonji, chief for Tombel, say don't hand the work at them for them. When they don't finish the road, chief Ekohan, he work at them for ye. So if he talks on and say, me no you say one of the worker, he don't lost or he don't disappear. So they be work now check place them. Now Caterpillar that way we start work from the first day where tradition will happen. But after the tradition, why the Caterpillar don't disappear? The question way the population of that side they ask question and where they want get the answer. Live and countryman. Yes. Me when I know they call, now no time for calling. Me you reach now for site for Donga Mantum Division and for Nkambe Central. What did happen? Now the population for B Village under Nkambe Central, where government don't give them college. We go see and find Mr. Francois. Now so even Gumba the community where we carry bricks. That means say the college we go for Tana for up. The college go for Tana for up, they don't start the bill. They don't put foundation. But the main problem now say they no go get money for buy zinc. For Tata, rough for college. Now where they try for winner for upside. Picking them for country, for Cameroon, say me they help them. Me they get money for building school, plaster them, posing on top so that me picking them, they enter inside. They don't try their best for more the bricks. And now, they wait now, me country people they help. And with the time, son and daughter they for side for B village. As they say self, they don't put on for pocket for start the foundation. Then where they be for everybody, for site for Dogramantum and for Cameroon. They say, His Excellency, Sheikh Tuzlombe, say they beg me you help them. Honorable, say me you help them. Honorable Ngala Jordan, these people them they need when I help now. For Musa Sheikh, for Musa when I mayor from Cambe, these people them for B, they need their help as they did for inside a center. Alaji but no, where mayor for side for Ndu Council, they work where say me you support them. And then they went to Alaji, when a businessman from Tumbo, they went to say me you help him. And fund for site for Njidong, fund for site for Chop, and fund for Cambe, and fund for Mr. J, fund for Ako, fund for Nwa. Say they so, me when I try for help these people them, me them build their college. Because picking them they come over here, they go college now so to from Cambe. And for go from Cambe, and they say me, mommy and papa, me they go to the house where picking it could sit down for they go school. Now government don't give school now for inside house where they're not going to go far again. Why we not to help them? Now time for help them. And the president, national president for youth them, and the talk say they so to say me on brother them, me then try way to for poor hand me go to enter for go touch play with money day so that me they support. Whether you don't support, stay at the gear again, support plenty. So now you talk to this so some people in that way they support. Some people in that way they just she don't will not be normal. Will not be normal. Eh? So now the national youth president for side for B we na Mr. Tata was Mr. Tata Dixon Ngwang. Mr. Tata Dixon Ngwang na he SSF a bloody stock. And fund for side for B. If we talk yesterday, say this so he glad as government don't give them college for house, and if the back say this so me the early them the ye cry. Say me early them ye cry. Yes, even Alaji, Ado, Nemsa, the second, where they just put time, me it no say people them for B that they wait me a help. Yes, me the help. So they went to His Excellency, 4 Callistus, gentleman, where USSF now picking for Mr. J, say these people them that they wait to me you help them so that me they make this school me it look fine. Leave them. Yes. With the time, share NS, when I share talk for that side for Bay Village, and with the time to Dr. Maji, yes, Dr. Maji Tanko, where USSF are picking for that side for the work where they do for that side, do divine, and the rest they do for that side. Me we ask them now for counselor. Now when I get country, now when I get council, what you go for talk, we want your name first. This school where they don't get if find you. What you see say they do for Bila. With a yeti way go talk. Start with your name.
My name is Councillor Musa Momini from BIH. The secondary school why they give for the zone or E over fine, and they don't give for the time why the population be the need them and the over fine. First of all, I go one thank the government for the initiative why they don't do for credit school for we as a government secondary school. And you know, government policy it be slow and it be steady. Government not forgive we school at the same time, then they bill them at the same time. Now we the community as they don't give them for you, we since we get the heart for this school, now we support for bill them. As you go right with the CM now for year as the community to go on now. We build 3 classrooms now for year where the community to go on. And this 3 classroom it not go be all about the school. Now they started point that, and the challenge is what we get them. The issue that say when you see for the build 3 classroom one time, you know say the financial situation for the side, they know be the president will the back for every individual wife, for not for only the zone, for every individual wife, if they why he like school, why he like education, if he support this project for make and say make the school, make they build the school fine, so that the kingdom will go for the school.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Suda. My name is Mr. Sarkianu Amadou of B. This school don't council, we, the Moros community, will be very, very happy with the school because it will be very difficult for we for the educate our Pekin, especially the gay Pekin. But now, if you see the number of gay kids the way today, it will be very, very encouraging. So we'll be very, very happy with this school. You don't make me change them. You don't make things them for we be very simple because formally, if we send picking them for me, then go for secondary school from Kambe or Binka. When picking go for them with the parentage, with the give chop, we don't know how the picking day. Picking the go for this stay 1 year, the next year it come on our belly. So now the difficulties will be the first time, and now we will be very, very happy with this school. And this school, I know say it will stand for us to go be the best school in Donga Mountain. With the first now, the difficulties were with the first time, with the first about how we now we think how about we will get zinc and the plank, and that's the roofing materials. Because that's why it will be very difficult. As you see, the students now they don't be participate with the with the community, with the carry. We already make bricks and with the carrier and the bricklayer and the builder. So to why it will be difficult for we that the roofing materials.
So when I don't hear thing way, this my country people them they don't talk. Me we go back again for Palava moto where they burn my hand now. Moto where man be pack am, they can't even. He don't reach gear number because the man he don't wet am. So no man in no day way. He show say this so na he don't take the moto. So we continue the talk. Say me any person. He try way for ask the picking whether he hand he dey for inside this motorway the TV for side for the wala for the bat. Yes, because the man now he don't be for inside bush now. Say can that stick he more concern for inside this matter. Leave him. Yes. So some man they write me message say how we could do for contact the people them for site for B for send their support. Yes. So any man where he wants send his support, he could contact to man for that number. Be for WhatsApp or be for normal call after the program. You call me and then I could give you number where you could support this B community. Yes. So I will give you first number. Yes. First number now 670 437 151. I repeat them 670 437 151. So you call the number and then they go tell you how you could do. So you could now mean then I want come back when I say when I go take when I telephone for participate for the program. When you want call, make sure say you off the volume for your TV. If you see say this, so you not go follow the instruction. Better than say me you no call. You give chance for man way it go raise in, follow him, and then talk team way it go help country. Not talk the one way if it's scatter country now scatter them. Now mean then they come back. We get for tongue now, and when I go see number, the way you get for use and for call the program. No call different one. When you want call, give me a name. Tell me how you the call, and then you talk for 20 seconds. I be sure we don't be clear. When you want call, give me a name first. Second, now place where you the call. Third, respect 20 seconds. Yes, that's what you get for B. Hello. Good morning. Your name and the side with the call, sir.
Cher client.
Voilà. Now first call like that. You don't call. May we see that if people them for side for Garwa, countryman. Hello, countryman.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
No, it is fine.
Who they call the person there for side?
No, they go for Marvin and dog.
Yes. May we see image, Mr. Francois? Yes. For Manfe, your name na Manfe or your name na who? Na Rodolphe.
Marvin and dog for Marvin.
Yes. What you got for talk for 20 seconds?
I want to talk for this lava road for Kumbawi. They show caterpillar for starting of the road, and then also the road, the caterpillar road disappear.
They never tell the road.
They never start the road.
Why they never tell them?
May the government put pressure for the contractor them so that may they work that road.
That means that they never even start na start.
They don't start, they don't go. They come back to work the road.
Okay. That the year. Yes. That the year thing when you talk. Hello, countryman. 650608498 for those who do not get I by the year. 695539094. Hello? 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 650608498 695539094. What you get for talk? Me, you talk now. Hello? Good morning.
Morning, on a couple of teams, but the couple of Bangate.
Yes, we'll hear you 20 seconds.
I say, the thing that say, I don't see a way to allow the team. The only thing that say, you see the country don't pass government, they don't fit to say don't pass them. You see, the whole economic capital, don't pass, it see a way economic capital, the team. So now my own contribution that.
Thank you for that side. Another person, hello? Hello?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, my name is Mr. Western.
You dey come for side?
I come for Douala for Kafeka Kato.
Now, so when I town a dirty so no, how when I live for that Douala?
I swear, my brother, because I don't give it, we get 15 million days to do my work. I swear.
Okay. Another caller again, we salute all man for that side for Pika Katos with the great all man for the other side for Njombo. Hello? Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Countryman Day. Who they call the person Dana for side?
I'm Prince Julius at the call for Bonaberry.
Yes. How about Bonaberry today? Hello?
There's plenty me for here, plenty.
Well, how we gonna live for inside that dirty? You say for machine they right now die.
Now die, Papa. Now die. I know I'm being blamed the government. We say that way. We say we get hard for the team. Person the pass for corner road. He get hard for this not true anyhow. If we say we take upon ourselves for sensitize ourselves for take the people that we play supposed to be, we will help the situation.
Okay.
That's not what talk. Say more no put up blame for government. Maybe say we help our town.
Okay. You don't talk fine talk. Hello? Hello? We salute all man for side for Manfe, Batibo, Ambele, Timbeng. We salute Nihoni for Timbeng. We don't, she don't quite, we don't know whether na how. Nihoni know they talk again. Hello?
That's not what talk. Say more no put up blame for.
Now that kind of people in that way we talk. Hello? Hello? Good morning.
Hello.
Come up for corner noise and come up for corner your television.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who they call the person then outside?
Hello.
Who they call your name and the side
I'm
you call?
Mr. Ati go for the call for Idea.
Yes.
And you have to come on, German.
Kumanja man, I hear you.
Money, sir. I don't want to talk for that young boy with the teeth.
Yes, that is bottom.
Yeah, that boy with the teeth with the hide them. They hide them. So you know, find with the hide in my face. Yes, because when they hide them, so tomorrow for road, you go pass the system with another very mind. You know what I'm asking? If you choose life for skin.
Yes.
And we're not correct. Because at the chance when I reach people, they're picking. They
Now this would have taken they hide their face, and then 4 would have taken their face and they swam.
Okay. Okay, now Komanjang man for side for Idia, Edi talk this one. 650608498 now talk. Now the number where you get for use and for call the program. Small time we come out. Wait you get for talk. Me you talk now. And where you want call respect. Wait where we need them. Hello? Now first person now man where did you call me you there for it did call but now na time where we get for talk it instead beam na beep. We salute all man for side for Idia for Kribi. We salute all man for Karifu Mbongo and even those were there for inside Mbongo for Camp 5 and Camp 2. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, now woman. Your name and the salary call, madam.
Tambe Paulette for Bonabelli.
Yes, wait to get for 10.
Yes, Papa, I want to consider dating for Bonabelli here. It's too much.
Yes.
It's too much, Papa. It's too much.
But even on which side for Bonabelli?
For right.
Yes.
And for this thing for Andre, this thing for Granga, yeah. For Granga, yes.
Okay.
I will get started. They can't ask you money, more pay, Eugene. Government do not wait to that money, no, Papa. That Eugene, they can't take every month for do it. Don't have to carry the them for road.
I
for carry the them for road, Papa. We don't tell with it. All small picking them, it give you sick for picking them. For you big man, they give you sick.
When I ask it go better.
I the beg government look way for that for the tea for Bonabelli.
Yes, and me too at the talk say when I cook chop, better when I take the dirty to go live inside water carry and go than for the dormam and then the smell when I again. Hello? Yes. Hello? The next caller, small time we come out because we dey work on time. Follow the light for inside Cameroon. We dey ask question whether we get light for this country. Hello? Good morning. We salute all man for side for Tonga. We salute all where they watch the program for Makenene. We salute those who are there for Bafia. And we salute all man for side for Tinga Village. We salute all man too. We there for that side for play where they call them from Van. Hello?
General MOKO, good morning.
Morning, oh.
Taximan Daniel Ngere for Boya.
Taximan Daniel Ngere with the you, sir.
Yes, for the power, don't see, we self individual, they will not help the situation.
Voilà.
You know, the advice we are picking them, they for meeting, advice to a member, they will brother them. So we chop something, not throw for road. We go help we. Because so much, you see, man, work with big car for road. It is picking at the chop something, it is top of grammar, say, slot it outside. Now, correcting that, we need to help the station. You work away down clean, you tell your people, say, throw it to the road. Stand up outside. General MOKO, we need to help the station. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes. That man don't talk, we get sense. And that thing will happen. Man never inside a taxi. He don't buy a banana. As in the chop and one time, after I just tell the kanda, just throw me. Right? Hello?
Hello, Big General. Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy. How for you, sir?
No, thank God. Now, Jason, the Bangem.
Yes. Oh, man for Bangem. You don't come out for who today?
General. I say, General, the good thing happen without I own, you know. That is that somebody we don't plan time for inside town. They work now with no General. We come to the next to bring me for the rest.
I say, Mr. say, you don't pass me. Before one kind of they say, as you drop your foot from van, camera don't take you. As you want to take taxi, camera don't pick you. As you want to come out, you want pick. Now I know they understand whether camera don't be in a house or they don't corrupt camera or man no.
Wonderful thing, General.
How for Bangam don't come to Hello? Hello? 650608498 695539094. We salute those who did watch the program now for site for Kayabasi. We greet those who did it for Machine Bopi and those who did follow and for site for Bepanda and Bonamosadi. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who did call the person there for site?
Yes, my name is Fred Jimmy.
You recall for site?
I recall for the church, Jenny Douala.
Tell me where you want to talk. We hear you.
Yes, I don't know you talk. Oh, because
how the one ever came? I don't see the one ever came. That kind of because the real step is the guy should corner road. They see the more they go for enter move.
Thank you. We salute all man for side for Bonanjo. We greet those who did for Aqua. We salute those who did the other side for Ansenda for Marché Chinois, and for Marché Congo. We greet all man we did for side for Ngodi. Yes, like Mr. Manager for Tandong Munya. Yes, Mr. Fidelis for Tandong Munya. It was we. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, madam. Your own name now, and you call for which part for country?
I become my name is Christina. I become for $7.
Yes, we give you 15 seconds. Talk quick.
I want to talk about picking the way they teach so.
Yes.
They took property. Because they want to do for Cameroon. If you come on with them, where they provide for children picking them, the team will be so that way. This is the way they teach.
It's not easy. That beginning until the field work, madam. They don't the age for work. Hello? Hello?
Why?
Yes, you know. Yes, we hear you.
Yeah, I never talk, sir.
Yes.
When they don't talk, say, about that to do, they put her outside. When company for Doti talk, say, when I go do now, when not put rope to go the neck, it must be able for that good. That rope. So, play with this, so we don't get away with phone only talk way, come and more talk.
Okay, we don't hear this. Yes, we don't hear you. We don't hear you plenty. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, who did it? In the West Time. Good morning, countryman.
Good morning, MOKO.
Yes, who did it?
Madam Juan.
Huh?
Madam Juan.
Madam Juan, they call for us. I talk quick, we will not get time, madam.
I talk for Duana for Bonapele.
Yes, what you get for tell with Madam Juan?
I want to salute. Let me tell about the city say. All side. I don't know. If you are on the system in a capital, this so then other people like Duana and they will do now.
Well, now only God.
Only God.
Thank you, plenty. Thank you, plenty. Okay. We salute Mr. Enosa. Mr. Enosa, we watch the program for site for Dumbu. We salute to Pangwang, alias Photo. We did to for site for Dumbu. They watch the program. Hello? Oh, this kind of people that they carry BB head, they know they raising. They say you want call come out for corner television. Man, they just carry head, go shit down for some place. They will noise they call. Why when I know if you follow simple talk where they don't talk? Hello?
Yes, now me to talk for Batoke.
Yes, I for Batoke. The man for Batoke.
Batoke, be fine.
How do you countryman talk quick?
My problem now is that you. I want just propose a solution.
Yes.
My problem now say make the no carry the ticket keeper for road. Make exact of stamp on any man carry the ticket for us stamp put that go back. That's why they carry the ticket keeper for road. Now make the ticket remain.
You talk.
How exact of no be the ticket no be remain. So people do not say now. Short cut for catch away the people road there. Exact of the exact of no do work. Make for the you begin get cholera. Make any man put the ticket for container. Where exact of blue? All corrupt the catch for they go back for us. Make the ban that the ticket keeper for road. Go take it down the go clean. Right?
Okay. Last person.
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Who they call the person there for outside? Talk quick, sir.
Me, I call am sorry for Douala. For Pika 14.
Yes.
I call am for avoid down the way don't overdo for this country. And away the government not to make the own work. The rating we know for them. That time when you see where election don't be, they start to say work on the day upside. Say company day for upside where they go big road, they go do so and that. Now so not be work for Pika 14, come up Pika 14, go and reach Pika 21. Only does the eye for person.
Okay. Say does they plenty. Hello?
Yeah, Jango, good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy. Who did it?
Now, follow from Yaoundé. Go.
Yes. When I get kind quarter for Yaoundé here. Talk me here.
I want to talk about that beginning where the team so. Say, two way they don't set them because picking over that one safe. Some picking they not for this one. They say well, even go fit for the safe for the image the 500 city where that safe.
Okay.
That one is I don't know how they do them.
Okay. Thank you.
Eh?
Yes. The program not finished. Me man not call again. So it don't finish, countryman. When I leave am. Me we go now for school. When you want video something where you know say you go send am, me then show am for television. Me you hold your Android phone now so. When I look the size, now so you get for hold am because camera where it ever film now so a day. Now so you head a day. So when you hold am so you film something you send am for me. When you send am now we'll fix am and then show am back for country people them. It go dey fine. But if you hold your phone now so better than say when you video am you send am for your family member and not send am for me because I not go use am. That means say you don't spoil your data for nothing. But if you finish so, if you film them so, I go glad with you plenty. So, work at them for Sodepa. Work at them for Sodepa news. I don't see some photo for social media where they show say, work at them for Sodepa, that they suffer for palava water. They work there for a year. And then water they left for van. Where they did Santa Barbara. For common go carry water where you go drink am. Only far and the answer where the whole big company that one they not go put pump outside where you turn so carry water you turn so wait till they wait. They want me walk at them then die. Wait, I go bring the photo so that me the people them for Sodepa me then see them whether it be normal for suffer a whole worker. So that one go come. We thank Mr. Francois and SSF if the match all button. Then they call me General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon, where they work out broom for sweep all dirty for Cameroon, send them for water, me water, a carry am go. When you chop your chop, take the dirty, try way for go put them for some back. Me when I know this send what dirty outside for town, it no look good. So we will meet up tomorrow with different information. Any man he get for go for our Facebook page. General MOKO NJANGI House, now the name for we Facebook page. You enter for insight, you subscribe so that me you be with Combi. Even for we YouTube channel, the name NJANGI House, you go for insight, subscribe so that me will talk all time. We there for here because we're not there for upside, and we say so we there here because we're not there for upside. All we will get for work together for 2024 so that me all thing worker. Me I go rest because God he get for talk with me for 5 minutes. I don't go.